Do you want to see something cool? Come along with me and I'll show you. Driving right now is that by chance there was spotted a red-footed falcon just 3 minutes from where René lives in Moss. So today is the 1st of May and everyone in Norway on this day has the day off from work. So the kids are with their grandparents and I was thinking that this is my chance to see a red-footed falcon. So I'm gonna drive down to Moss. It takes 1.5 hours, and hopefully we can find it very easy. This is a rare sight in Norway. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Finally arrived in Moss, Ekholt. René is on his way. I have the gear and I'm ready to find the red-footed falcon. It's gonna be exciting. So yeah, follow along. Now we have had the red-footed falcon here for over an hour. It's a beautiful, beautiful bird. And this is so rare to see here in Norway. I think it's the only one registered in the country. And that is spectacular. That's the reason why I had to drive down here. Couldn't let this opportunity go from me. I mean, I need to be there because it's moving, so I need some flight shots. So. Bedre nå? Mission complete. The red-footed falcon is very similar to the Kestrel, and this was a female, I think. Very beautiful, and she has plenty of food here, so she will probably be here for a good while. I think it's 3 days already, or 2. So it was really cool to see. And yeah, together with Renee and Daniel again, it's yeah, very good. And yeah, beautiful surroundings and good company. So I think that was it for this time. That was a short video, but a really cool one and a new species for a lot of photographers. I think we were at least 100 different photographers here today. So that tells you something about a rare bird. So that was really cool. But thanks for following along, and we'll see each other next time. Bye.